Alrighty guys, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 here again. We've got another BYD in the shop today. We're going to do an electric roller fitting. We're going to go through the assembly, we're going to go through the fitment, and we're going to get right into it. Howdy guys, Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4. I've got a piece of paper, that's how you know I'm official. Nah, I'm just lying to you, that's the job guard. We've got an electric roller fitted. This is how we make sure that all our stuff comes out quality. You've got here over a 15-point check, making sure that every single job leaves the workshop in the highest quality order that it can. Anyway, more importantly, what do I got? I've got a BYD Shark over here. We've got the electric roller shutter. Hopefully you guys enjoy the assembly and fit process. We'll go through the operation of it now very quickly. Boom, I hit the unlock button and it rolls forward. I can stop it wherever I like. I'll go ahead and send that bad boy forward as well. I've got a few little bits and pieces I want to show y'all. Wait for it to roll forward. Da, 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 da. Plus, I'm even singing for you. For that song, you should buy one. Anyway, what do we got? Have a look on the inside. You guys have got the integrated LED bar light on the inside of it as it comes on automatically. As soon as you open the roller shutter, add that to the internal light that the BYD has. Boom, bow. You need any more light than that, bro. I think you got vision issues. Anyway, so very, very straightforward. These ones are available from $2,000 supplied. You heard right, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to get it. Look at that, I'm filming a video. We're not even paying any kind of attention, but we're good. You see that? Safety pinch system, making sure that if you've got a tall load or an appendage that's stuck in there, you don't lose your load. Don't want to lose your loads or your arm. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one. See you.